Hey guys, I just got my favorite brand of Yamcha from the supermarket. I usually go for the easy to make ones, which are basically just about boiling or steaming. So what I usually personally do is boil them. So this is what's in the box I just got. There are plenty of brands out there, so pick and choose the ones you want. So I've got water coming up to a boil, and once they're ready, once the water is just at boil, I'm going to toss these in there. Alright, I'm back, and here they are in the water. I needed both hands to get them into the water without making a splash of it. So now I'm gonna leave them in there for about 10 minutes, and I'm just gonna put the lid on as well. Alright, now I just wait for about 10 minutes. Now while I wait, I've just grabbed a plate and some soy sauce. I usually like this one, it works, and chili oil. Makes all the difference. So this is the one I usually get, but there's so much variety out there, so see which one you like and make a choice. I personally like a variety of sauces, so I've got quite the selection here. So yeah, it depends what you're into, but chili oil is a definite must in my view when it comes to Yamcha, and obviously soy sauce, that's a must. It's been 5 minutes. Just have 5 minutes to go. Alright, looks like it's ready now. I'm just gonna switch off the stove. Be very careful when you remove the lid, because there can be a lot of steam. Make sure your dumplings are all completely immersed in water. As long as your water levels are okay, you're all good. Just gonna start grabbing them. Looks like it's perfectly cooked. I mean boiled. Gotta be really careful so that I don't break them. But I don't want to get the water, so yeah, it's delicious. Oops, drop that one. A little bit slippery. You could use a strainer instead. It would be really fast. Careful with the steam, really hot. Make sure you switch off your stove before you do this, if you're new. It's perfect. This is such a quick, delicious lunch for me. I enjoy them very much. So here we are. Lunch prepared, 10 minutes, ready to go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your Yamcha in 10 minutes straight from the freezer. Well, this is the easiest way to do it though. There are plenty of brands out there, so try experimenting a few different ones till you figure out which one you really like. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.